You are going to love the 2020 Transit Connect. Ford Transit, the right size, the whole world round. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, front-wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CarFax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CarFax Buyback Guarantee.